Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you the complete tutorial on how you can use Google Sites for portfolio website for beginners. So why portfolio website is important? Well, a portfolio website is a unique way to showcase your work and let others know about yourself. It's like an evergreen platform for your projects, case studies, and information about you. In addition, it's one of the best way to express your personality, experience, and capabilities. Now, to get started, you just need to open your browser and go to sites.google.com. So as you can see here, and make sure that you log in with your correct account. Now, once you log in, as you can see your Google Sites, and here you can start a new site right away, or you can basically use some templates. So if you're going to click on the template gallery, then it will show you some of the templates that you can basically use. For example, if you're creating a personal website like portfolio, or for work, for small business, or for education. Now in this sample, we're going to create a portfolio website. So I'm going to select this portfolio template right from here under the personal section. So click this portfolio template, or you can basically choose the blank site to start from the scratch. But in my case, I'm going to select this portfolio. So once you click on this template, as you can see, you'll be directly go to a website editor on Google. So as you can see here, so this is the current template that we can use. So we have the text, we have the images here, we have also options like insert, pages, and themes. And here, basically, if you scroll down, you will find some elements that you can basically use for this portfolio website. But the first step or first thing that we can do here is basically going to your settings at the top right hand corner of your screen. So once you click on this gear icon, it will show you these 6 options here. So the first one, we have the navigation. So here we can just change the navigation bar if you want to change from top to side, as you can see, or if you want to maintain it at the top. And you can also change the color if you want black or white or just transparent, just like this. And here on brand images, as you can see, you can upload or select a logo image for your portfolio. So for example, I'm going to upload an image. So as you can see the sample logo, and you will find that at the top left hand corner of your website. So right there. And then you can also change the favicon or favicon right here. You can upload or select a favicon image to add to your site. And then here on viewer tools, you can basically customize the info icon or the anchor links. You can go to custom domains, so you can basically make your site easier to customize a domain or domain website. Or you can go to analytics and you can enable the Google Analytics right from here. And also you can create your own announcement banner. For example, you can just enable this one, and then you can select your banner color, and you can just type a message. For example, this is my portfolio, just like that. And then you can select the visibility right here. And once done, you just have to click on the X button. So as you can see, we have the announcement bar right there and also the header. Now we can basically change the name right here. For example, I'm going to type here my name. So we're going to delete the current text right here and type John Smith. So this is just an example. And then here, as you can see, the text, the heading, we can basically change it. And we can edit this one. Just select on the text. For example, I'm going to type John. I'm John, and I'm going to input my role as a virtual assistant from, and then enter the location. For example, UK. Right? Next, you can change the image right here. So basically, you can just add your portfolio image. You can basically click on the image, and we have some options here. You can add link, or you can click on three dots and click replace image. You can upload from your computer or just select from Google Images. Now, for example, I'm going to just put my image right here, and you can basically crop this one, and or you can edit this image. So there you have it. So we have the name and we have the portfolio image. Now you can add some details about your portfolio depending on your preference, and you can use some features here. For example, if you're going to this insert tab, you can just select if you want to add text box, images, embed, or just a drive. For example, I'm going to add a text. For example, this is about me. So here you can type your about section or just describe yourself right here. And then you can basically go to other options like collapsible group. You can add table of contents, image carousel, button, divider, spacer, social links, placeholder, YouTube, calendar, map, docs, slides, sheets, forms, and charts. Okay, so for example, I'm going to add a button. So this is very important. This is a call to action button. So for example, I'm going to just insert call me now, and basically just have to add your link. So basically if you have the Skype link, so just add right there, or I'm going to change this into email now, and just enter your email address right from here. So click on insert button, and you can just customize and place that button on your website. So just like this. So there you have it. So once they click on email now, they will be directly go to your email. Now we can basically customize other options here. For example, we want to add this content blocks, or we want to change it first, this selected work, into like portfolio. So we can add some portfolio images or samples that we have made before. So if you don't like this element, just need to click on the trash icon right there, like this one. And then we can add the content blocks, for example. So I'm going to select this. And then if you want to add image, you just need to upload, select image from Drive, YouTube, Calendar, or Map. So here I'm going to click on select image. For example, I'm going to find an image from Google Images. So for example, this one here. So you can just basically enter or input here all your portfolio, your achievements or awards. So they have more information about you. And you can also change the style if you want this style 2, style 3, or you can change the background image. So in this case, I'm going to select the style 3. So there you have it. Now we have the portfolio website now. Now I want to add my social links. So basically click on the social links right here. Okay, and we're going to just paste the link of your Facebook, and we can add an icon. So if you're going to select and go to Google Images, search for Facebook, and then press enter. And then here, I'm going to just select the Facebook icon. There you have it. Now you can add your link right here, or Facebook link. So for example, I'm going to type this one and then click on insert button. And there you have it. We have a social link right here. So it's a Facebook link. So basically you can change it into medium size, change into square, or you can change the design. For example, if you want outline or solid, or the color. So in this case, I'm going to change the color. So there you have it. So you can add more social links like your Twitter, X, or like YouTube channels. So there you have it. And then if you're going to look for the other options like on pages, if you're going to your about page, you can add some information about your project page. And here you can write sentence description about your past project or current project. So you can put some descriptions and images right from here. And also if you want to change your themes, simply go right here on themes and select the font style if you want like classic, and you can just select any of this one. If you want this impression, level, vision, diplomat style, or Aristotle style, simple style, right? I'm going to select this diplomat style and change the color. So there you go. So we have this page right here. So going back to homepage, as you can see, we have just created our portfolio website. If you want to publish, then you can basically enter the web address you want to put in to publish, or just need to type here your domain. Or if you want to preview your page, you just need to select this one, and you can find your desktop view on your profile website, and it will also show you the phone view right from here, or the tablet view. So there you have it, and once done, you can publish your website. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.